Now see here, an electron is moving along x axis in a magnetic field acting along y axis. What is the direction of the magnetic force on the electron? So now see here, velocity of the electron is given to you along x axis, so we can write Vi cap. Magnetic field is along y axis, that is a plus y axis, so we can write B is equal to Bj cap. Now we have to get the magnetic force, that is Fm is equal to Q into V cross B. So we can write here minus E, because this is the charge of the electron, here Vi cap cross here Bj here. So now we can write here minus EVB, and here I cross j can be written k cap, and that can be written here minus EVB minus k cap. It means magnetic force is acting along the negative z axis.